respected chief guests, principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, AALIYA NOOR from class 5th. First, I wish you Happy Republic Day. Today we are talking about Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution is the supreme law of India. It was adopted on 26 November 1947 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Constitution drafted by the Constitution Assembly under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It was the longest written constitution in the world. It took around 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be completed. Constitution assures justice, equality and liberty to every citizen of India. The Indian Constitution guides and makes the government system work smoothly. Last, let's place together. From today, we do our best to make our country the best country in the world. I love my...
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.